Welcome back, guys. I just want to show you one of the features on the Neonwallet by City of Zion. So, if you already have a wallet, you can add separate wallets within it. So, as you can see, this is my Neo wallet, and if I want a separate one, maybe for different reasons, maybe you want two wallets. One could be for your trading, one could be for your investing, for instance. So if you've got your assets in one wallet, it's very easy to make a second one. All you're going to do is click on the top right hand corner, New Wallet. It's going to give you your keys. So I'm just going to take a photo, but you should really write this down and print them off and keep them safe. So let me just do that. So once you're happy and you have got them safe, you will need these at a later date if you need to recover your wallet. To make sure they are safe. Once you've clicked that, you're going to have to refer back to your keys and put them in the right order. So let me just get this right. So we have vacuum, spare, certain, rapid, agent, and then private. Image, neck, world, planet, aerobic, and 7. So if they're in the right order and you click next, it'll tell you it's fine, and you're just going to click a name for your wallet. I'm just going to call this. I'm just going to call this Tester 100, for instance, just to make sure it's there. And you click Create Wallet if you want to view it. So you can see I've got the wallet Tester 100. Now, once this is set up, it'll just be for N3 assets on Neo. So now you can add NeoX assets and also Ethereum. So let me just show you how to do that. You're going to scroll down to add account. Now, I want to add a NeoX account, so I'm just going to call it NeoX, and I'm happy with the color code on it. I'm going to click next, and because I've already told you I want a NeoX account, I'll click NeoX, and again click next. Perfect. So you can see that this one account is an N3 assets because the address begins with an N. And this one, NeoX, it's an OX account. What I also like about this is you can also add an Ethereum account. So let me just add an Ethereum one. I'm just going to call this ETH. I'm going to give it a different color. I'll give it a purple one and click next and select Ethereum. And again, click next. So now you can see this wallet can hold Neo N3 assets, NeoX assets, and Ethereum assets. So I hope this has been helpful to someone. If you do have any questions, fire away in the comments box. You can also click back to your other wallets just by selecting this drop down box. Thanks, guys.